Do you know what time it is? It's time for another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to have a look at what you should look for when buying a new appliance. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You know the day will eventually come when you need to buy a new appliance. When buying new appliances, there are a few things that you should consider. Which manufacturer and brand should I purchase? Who will service it when it breaks down? And are parts easily accessible to purchase for the appliance? When buying a specialty brand appliance, you face the risk of not easily finding someone qualified to service your appliance when it breaks down. It's simple math. Some manufacturers in the US make 24,000 appliances a day to ship to consumers all around the country. Then other manufacturers produce specialty brand appliances from other countries and ship them to the US at 1,000 appliances per day. Appliances are like cars. If it's a specialty brand, then you need a specific dealer that has been factory trained and knows what they are doing to service it. The first thing that you'll want to check is who services the product in your area. Before you purchase a specific brand, make sure there is a factory authorized servicer in your zip code to service your product. There is a big difference between a service company and a factory authorized service company. A factory authorized servicer is trained from the factory on the product. Factory authorized technicians get support from the factory representatives on parts, service manuals, product recalls, and other valuable tools to fix your product fast and efficiently. A standard servicer has none of these tools at their disposal, therefore potentially costing you more time and money to repair your appliance. There are many appliance stores that sell products, but they do not service what they sell. Always try to find and buy from an appliance sales dealer that services what they sell. There are certain situations where consumers purchase a very expensive major appliance and cannot find a company to service it. If you're purchasing a specialty brand appliance and you do not have a factory servicer within your area, you could be waiting weeks or even months before getting service on the product. So, what good is a high-end appliance if you can't get it serviced when it breaks down? How accessible are parts for the appliance? Call your local parts store and give them the model and make of the appliance that you're purchasing. Ask them about parts availability. Sometimes these parts dealers will tell you that they do not sell parts for the manufacturer. If that happens, ask the parts dealer what appliance brand they recommend for easy parts accessibility. What good is an appliance if you can't get parts for it? Many times these specialty parts come from overseas and can take months to receive. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.